Hello, my fellow Americans. Imagine living in a time where you didn't have to lock your doors at night and you could see a movie for a nickel. Welcome back to reality. The truth is, today, many of us don't feel safe in our own homes. Fact is, the number one way criminals enter a home is through the front door. My name is Andrew, and I created a device that is helping people feel safe at home again. It's a barricade for your door, appropriately called the Barricade door bar. It's the most effective way to replace your conventional door locks. Barricade is made in the USA from the best quality materials, such as a military-grade solid aluminum bar and our new patented hinge brackets that are stronger, accommodate for thicker trim molding, and secures the bar with pivot locks. Barricade is easy to install. Just place hinge brackets at desired height, mark and drill holes with 1/8 inch drill bit. Install with our 3-inch screws, which are long enough to reach the wall studs on both sides of the door. Place bar on hinge brackets, and now your door is secure.
Having been a victim of a home invasion, I never felt safe at home alone. I installed your Barricade product in my condo. It really made a difference. I feel safe again. Thank you.
It's time to get serious about your home security with the Barricade door bar.